Welcome back, everybody. I made my way to Florida from the Rocky Mountains, and look who I found. The Hungry Hussy.
We're at it again. The twins.
We're at it again. You ever have buffalo? Do you have buffalo down there?
Never had buffalo. We don't even have those kinds of animals in North Carolina, Todd.
Well, I brought some buffalo meat with me today. We are going to make us a buffalo bacon burger with creamy horseradish sauce.
Boy, it's going to be some good groceries.
Start with some thick cut bacon. I like to use the Wright's brand, always works out well. Also like to err on the side of caution with bacon. Never know how many strips you're gonna use. A few extra, we just have some vittles to eat while we're around. I go low temperature when I'm on bacon, so today I have 2 burners off, 2 on low. If I need to, I can always crank it up, but of course, once you burned your bacon, it's too late. Grab my Blackstone griddle press, put it down, we'll keep it flat. Bison meat, we have some ground bison today. Bison's definitely a more rich flavor. It's bold, I love it. So pure ground bison. We're gonna make some patties. I'm gonna try to do these in what they'd call a pub style, I guess. So a little bit thicker, not a smash burger today. These are our buns, our brioche buns. We'll try to make a patty that I think will work on that size of bun. Don't know how much this is going to shrink. You know, bison is really lean, so it's not going to shrink as much as a ground chuck would. What did the daddy buffalo say to his kid when he went away to college? Bison. What do you think about my bison joke? I mean, is that Hungry Hussy? Is that Tar Heel approved, or I still got to work on it a little bit?
Work on your jokes just a little bit more, just a little bit. That's kind of like cringy, as my daughter would say. A little cringy.
All right.
But it's okay. It was really good. I'm going to use it all later. I'm going to take it from you.
I like to flip my bacon early and often. That way, you're not going to burn it. You can always go up in temperature, but once you burn your bacon, there's no turning back from that. So we'll flip the bacon. We'll keep using that griddle press, keep it nice and flat. And again, if I need to, I can always come down here, turn the burner off because that bacon is looking really good. It's been another minute or two. We're gonna flip that bacon. Just about done. We'll put it in one pile, and then we'll use that bacon press, that griddle press, for one last push, and we'll pull it and we'll be ready for our burgers. Check it out. Oh man, looking nice. I don't want to burn that stuff, so I need to get me a paper towel. Hold on, need to get paper towel.
Here you go, kind sir.
Oh, thank you.
I'm here.
Thank you, Hungry Hussy.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes.
Lord have mercy.
Taking advantage of that beautiful bacon fat, we're gonna get our patties and a little bit of Blackstone SPG. Salt, pepper, garlic, of course, everybody's favorite, down in that beautiful bacon grease. Give those patties a little press. Wanna initiate that first sear and come back to the table, make my creamy horseradish sauce. Starting out with a little bit of mayo, maybe a cup or so of mayonnaise. Horseradish, I like to get the refrigerated kind. A couple of tablespoons of horseradish. We can always add a little more later if we need to. And lemon juice. Get the juice in there from at least a half of a lemon. Some flat leaf parsley. Just chop a little bit of that. And we'll finish that off with a little bit of black pepper and some salt. Give it a mix. And I'm gonna call my taster over here. We're gonna see salt.
A little pinky?
Yeah, a little salt, a little black pepper, a little lemon taste. See where we're at?
Perfect.
You heard it straight from Hussy.
Straight from the source.
Cool thing about cooking on a 36-inch griddle, why I like it so much, is we have 4 burners. So even if you only have 1 burner running, you still have plenty of heat. So I have this burner off altogether. I just noticed this patty in the back doesn't have quite the sear as these patties. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn that burner back on. Of course, we don't have open grates, not worrying about a flare up, no flames. So feel free to press that meat down, get a good sear. Time to flip the patties. Oh yeah, nice looking sear on there. flip them, and we'll season up that second side as well, a little more SPG. And smoked Gouda. Smoked Gouda works really well for this recipe, so I picked up a big old block at the deli this morning. Gonna get some sliced Gouda. And gonna go down 1, 2, 3. Let's get our buns ready. We'll get a little bit of mayo on the inside of the heel and the crown, so we can get that nice golden toast that Blackstone Betty taught me about years ago. And I'll also get some lettuce ready for later. The green leaf and just shred it ourselves. It just looks so much better. It's got a better color than iceberg. Iceberg's mainly got that white look. This looks vibrant and fresh and green. Gouda's kind of thick. I think we're gonna apply a little bit of water on there, create some steam, get our basting cover. Sun's out, buns out, brioche buns. Delicious, perfect for a burger. Toast these over here on the side while our cheese is melting. Buns, much like bacon. Woo-wee. You don't want to overdo it, so keep checking them. Heels look really nice. A little bit of that creamy horseradish sauce down there on the bottom. Green leaf lettuce. I've always found with lettuce, less is more. Back in the day, I was known to use really obnoxiously large piles of lettuce. So you want to go less. You can always expand. You want the patty, you want the beef patty, you want the bison patty to be the star of the show, not the lettuce. Check on our patties here. We'll see if we have a cheese melt. Looking good in the hood today. Gonna go ahead and pull our first one. Come over here. Set it down on top of that bed of lettuce. Just take our bacon, cut that in half, and try to size it to each burger. Something like that, a little crisscross on top. Some big bacon, some thick bacon today. And a little more of that creamy horseradish sauce right on the top. I want to make sure that every bite gets a little bit of that creamy horseradish flavor. And let's top them off. Take a look at that.
Oh, I smell some groceries over here. Let's give it a try. Oh man, did I do that right?
You did.
Like Toven style.
Grab one. I don't want to touch
That's
your
not
burger.
mine?
No, I don't want to touch yours. Take a look at that. Woo!
First bison ever. Mm-hmm. That creamy horseradish is really good. I love that Gouda. I like it, Todd. It works just like a dang burger to me. Some might say, good groceries. Yeah, I need one of those too.
That was delicious. So much fun. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you check out all the shows on the Blackstone Network because we have a ton of them. And you can get our merch too at griddlenation.com. So thanks to the Hungry Hussy for being here. And until the next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass.
Bison buffalo burger with creamy horseradish sauce. It's good groceries.